What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, to another live stream. And in today's live stream, we're going to be doing, I'm on my Windows laptop now, and we're going to be doing some SAT prep right here. Let me just check this stuff here. Just trying to change the mic options, but I think they're pretty good. So yeah, guys, and let's just get right into it here. So actually, I need to get up a Desmos calculator here. It's a pretty easy question, I must say. A certain automobile. So you guys just saw I can just do that real quick. 23 practices. That's actually great, I must say. And I'm gonna be more consistent now that I got my Desmos up. Now that I got my Desmos up, I can really, lock in and do this streams. So, especially with the math section. Guys, should I get a webcam up? Close the second OBS. So the stream, my suggestion here. Stream's current bitrate is higher than the recommended. 6,800. 6,800 is so low. What? They want me to only do 6,800. That's insane. It's preposterous. But I'll do it for you. Why do they recommend only 6,800 here? Let's see if it updates. Yeah, how's that for you, YouTube? Why is it? It's actually strange. Yeah, I want 1080p 60. 1080p 60. What? 6.8. What? So it's recommending me 720p settings. Yeah, I'm not doing that. What? Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm doing the full limit right here. See, it says maximum 51. So I'm gonna do that. I don't care what YouTube's saying right here. They don't know what they're talking about. I'm doing AV1 as well. So let's just check my command control panel right here. Okay. Oh yeah, encode right here. That's where it is. That's where it's at. You can see here. It's pretty good here. Let me close this. Alright. Flips a coin with two sides. Oops. So it's gonna be 0.5 times times 0.5 times 0.5. Yeah, it's 1/8 right there. Hold up. Yeah, wait, hold on. It's just slightly different. Very slightly. But if I put more threes here, oh yeah, that's where it's at. Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna go with the -5 over 3 right here. Okay, total of 93. First cost 5. 5s plus 7p. Sure it's y is the number of pants. 5y, 7y equals 90. Like that. That's a thing right there, yeah. That's a thing. Circle A is the circumference of that. Circle B has n. Circle A, how much times? So, okay, what's the circumference formula? Circumference 2 pi r. Must have been 5 pi r. And n is r. Like that. I'm gonna go with 5 right here. Because if the radius is pi r, so yeah, it's 5. I didn't need this much, but that's kind of wasted time. Okay, f of x equals to 4 squared x with yeah. Daniel needs to earn no less than $250 this week, but he only has the time to work at most 25 hours. He earns $12 per hour at his job as a math tutor and 9 as lifeguard. So tutors T9. So no less than 250. Is that less than equal to? Yeah. So he gets $12 per hour from a tutoring plus $9 per hour as a lifeguard. And he has time to work at most 12 hours or 25 hours. So that means the hours he works is this, and that has to be less than or equal to 25 hours. Less than equal to 25 hours. So we're gonna go less than equal. Then we got less than again. So the money has to be, no wait, the money has to be more than, what am I saying? It's got to be more than, and the time has to be less than. So more than, less than. So let's just confirm. Oh wait, I almost looked up right there. The numbers will switch. But the money has to be more than, and the time has to be less than. Yeah, that's our answer right there, guys. Let's see how the stream's going here. Right. Looks fine to me. Okay. Watch this. That's the one right there. Yeah, that's it. If we zoom in here, we can see it matches perfectly right there. And if we go up a little bit, yeah, it continues to match. So to me, that one right there. That's the minimum value. So that's going to be x minus. So minimum value, so we're going to have to go down here and we just see minimum value is negative 55. How many real solutions does this equation have? Wait. How many real so that's here and here. 1, 2. There's 2 solutions here. Yeah. Guys, I hope Wiz doesn't copyright strike me. I don't think they would do that, but you never know. Spherical ball is made of metal with a density of 6.8 grams per cubic meter. Okay. So, if the ball has a diameter of 1.4 meters, the mass cubic meter. So we need to find the volume basically. So the volume we can find volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi. R is 1.4 over 6. I mean 1.4 over 2. No, 1.4 over 2. 0.7. 7 squared. Right there. That's our volume. And we just take this whole thing and we multiply this by 6.8 and we get, okay, that's interesting.
No, you have to go to basketball.
Why are we going to basketball 20 minutes early?
Because it's like 30 minutes away.
Okay.
Let's go.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's stream. I'll see you in the next one.